just to run through what we figured out with the diesel generator so far, we've got our fuel stored in here. It looks like this is a pressure line that goes in to pump fuel out there. That pressure comes off the tops of the cylinders. Oh wait, I should also show that, you know, we put a little bit of Teflon tape to improve that seal just a bit.
Yeah. Inside.
Oh wait, so
running through a poly
just
pipe.
to describe the problem is when we start, it runs for maybe a minute and then it kicks out. And
fuel lines come in through the wall, through this poly pipe. Instead of going into the actual tank of the machine, which you'd expect, they just sort of loop around. One feeds straight back into the fuel pump, and the other one comes out off the end of the line that feeds each of the cylinders and provides the pressure, we assume, to the tank.
Yep.
This solenoid is the thing that's responsible for shutting the
it
engine off
So
each time, and that's wired to a number of fail-safe systems.
So it could be actually within that unit that's somehow turning it off, because that can control the solenoid. Oil's okay. I'm not sure.
Radiator
what else is
coolant
going
is
on.
fine. The only thing we're
starting-
not sure about is whether or not fuel supply is getting to the engine. Well, that's one thing we're definitely not sure about.
Yeah. Well, if it runs for a minute though, there must be some fuel going in there.
Unless it's just the starter motor.
I'd be really surprised if it could run for that long just off the starter motor. But let's just do it to show what happens. There you go. Next thing I'd be tempted to do is get a multimeter on some of those inputs and see what happens at that point.